Welcome you all in Alahra Modern School. This is the math department. We welcome you, my student, in primary 5. We're going to explain to you the second term lesson. We continue with unit 2, the equation, part 2 of the lesson 3, the equations. Now we're going to solve more exercise about the equation. So please open your booklet with me, page 38, exercise number 2. We're going to solve some of questions about solving the equation. Here we have exercise number A, 3x plus 4 equal 19. So as we agree, we have to get rid of the number that near the unknown x. So here we have two numbers, 3 and 4. Which one we're going to start with? Let us agree to start with the number is far away from x. So here is we have 3 is near to x, but 4 is a little bit far away. So we're going to start with 4. We're going to move the 4 to the other part of the equation. We agree 4 here we is at the addition sign. So when it moves to the other part, we're going to change it into what? Excellent, I heard you, into minus. So we're going to write 3x equal 19 minus 4. So 19 minus 4, it will give us 3x equal 15. 15 is the 19 minus 4. Now we have number 3. 3 is near to the letter x. Remember, I want my x to become alone, so I will move 3 to the other part of the equation. 3 here is multiply, so when we move it to the other part of the equation, we're going to change it into divide. Very good. So x here is equal 15 divided 3, and 15 divided 3, it will give us 5. Excellent work of you. Another example. Here also we have two numbers near x. 5 times x plus 7 equal 27. So as we agreed, we're going to move 7 to the other part of the equation, and 7 here, its sign is plus. When we move it, we're going to change the sign into minus. So 5x, I'm going to write it, equal 27 minus 7, and 27 minus 7, it will give me 20. So I will write 5x equal 20. Now I have another number. I want to get rid of it. Here is number. Very good. Number 5 is a multiply, and it's very near to x. I want my x to become alone, so I will move it to the other part of the equation. 5 here is times, is multiply. When we move it to the other part of the equation, that will give me the x became alone, and 5, it became 20 divided 5. So 20 divided 5 give us 4. So my x here equal 4. And please make sure, check your answer. I want you to write 5 by 4. It will give me 20. 20 plus 7, it will give me 27. So when you check your answer and you find that you write right, so give tick to yourself. Excellent, my dear student all. Another exercise, 2y minus 6 equal 12. So as we agreed, let's get rid of the far number, which is minus 6, to the other part of the equation. The minus, when we move it, it's going to change into, very good, plus. So 2y equal 12 plus 6. So 12 plus 6 equal what? Very good, equal 18. So I'm going to write 2y equal 18. Now move the 2. 2 here is times. Move it to the other part. It's going to change into what? Yes, into divide. So my y equal 18 divided 2. So 18 divided 2, what? The number, if I multiply it by 2, it will give me 18. So excellent, all of you. Y equal 9. Another one. 5 times z minus 4 equal 1. So we have two numbers, 5 times z and minus 4. The far is minus 4. Move to the other part of the equation, and it is minus. So when we move it, excellent, we're going to change it to add. So the first thing, I'm going to write 5z don't forget to write 5z, because 5 is still playing with us in the equation. So 5z equal, yes, 1 plus 4, because we move the 4 to the other part of the equation. So 5z equal 1 plus 4, it will give me 5. Now we have 5, it's her time to get rid of it, so we're going to move it to the other part. It's multiply. When we move it, yes, multiply, we change it into divide. Very good. So z equal 5 divided 5, it will give me 1. So we have more exercise still in this page, so we continue with your booklet, page 38, and now we're going to solve exercise number E. Here, exercise number E, we have also two numbers. We have the half of number x, half of the number, I call it x, plus 7 equal 11. So I'm going to get rid of the plus 7 first, because this is the far from x. So I'm going to move 7 to the other part of the equation. When we move it, yes, the same things. We're going to change the plus into the minus. So I have half x. This is going to be equal 11 minus 7. So 11 minus 7, it will give me, very good, half x equal 4. And half here is a divide. So we're going to move this 2 to the other part with a multiply. So the x equal 4 by 2. So again, this 2 came from where? This is the half of the x, so this means 1 divided by 2. So we're going to move this divided 2 to the other part of the equation. We're going to change it to excellent multiply, so that will give me x equal 4 by 2. So my x equal 8. Another one, it is the 1/7 of y minus 5 equals 3. So as we agree, we're going to get rid of, very good, we're going to get rid of minus 5 first. So move minus 5 to the other part of the equation. When we move it, we're going to change it. This is a minus, we're going to change it, excellent, to divide. So the first step here is to write 1/7 y equal 3 plus 5. This will give me 1/7 y equal 8. Now it's time to move the divided 7. Here is the 7 is divided, so we're going to move it to the other part of the equation. Here is the 7 is in divide, so we're going to move it to the other part. We're going to multiply it by, excellent, by 8. So y equal 8 by 7, so y equal 56. Excellent. I hope you learn this exercise, and please do practice more and more and solve more and more exercise about how to solve an equation. Now please continue on page 39. We have the word equation. Sometimes it will give you a sentence and he wants you to translate it into equation. When you find the word is, simply the word is mean the equal sign of the equation. So when I will find the word is, I'm going to change to equal. Even the word equal to give us was, is equal to, they are all mean this is the equal. So we're going to translate this exercise on page 39. The sum of number x and 4 is 20. When I told you to sum, it means that I'm going to open bracket and write the things that came after the word sum between these two brackets. If I don't have anything before the sum, so I'm going to erase my bracket. Here, the sum of the number, he called it x, and 4 is it means, very good, equal. So x plus 4 equal 10. This is a translate, or this is the answer for this word. So x plus 4 equal 10. Another one, a number if added to 20, the sum is 32. Number added to 20, the sum is 32. So here the keyword for the answer is 32. So number I don't is here, it means equal 32. So number I don't know it, so I will call it x, and I'm going to add it, change to plus to 20. The answer is going to be 32. This is so easy. So the answer here is going to be x plus 20. It will give me 32. Another one, if 8 is subtracted from the number, then the answer is 12. So I told you, when you find these were subtracted from, we're going to solve it. Yes, excellent, backward. So we will start with, this is the left side by way, it means equal 12. So here I have a number I don't know, so I call it x minus 8. It will give me 12. The answer here is we're going to add 12. So x minus 8 is 12. It means equal 12. 3 times of a number is 188. This is so easy, so I'm going to write 3x. This is 3 times of a number. I don't know the number. This is the unknown for me, so we denote it by the letter x. And here is, it means equal, so 3x equal 188. 3x, 3 times of a number, 3x equal 188. Another easy example, half of a number is x. This is x, it means equal x, equal 6. So what is equal 6? It is the half of a number, so I'm going to write half of a number, I call it x. So half the x is 6, equal 6. Another one, 14 is 5 more than twice of the number. Here is the, very good, is the equal. So this is the short part of the equation. This is 14, this is the short part. And now we're going to write the long part. 5 more than, we agree to change it into, very good, plus. 5 plus what? Twice. We're going to change twice into 2 times of the number y. Very good. So we translate this equation and it became so easy and so clear that the answer here is going to be this. This is 14 equal 5 plus 5 more than twice of the number y. We write 2y. Now it's time for your homework. I hope you understand the lesson. It was a very, very important lesson, and it's time for you to do your homework. You're going to solve page 38 in the ministry book, exercise 1 and 2 only, and also you're going to solve page 40 and 41 in the school booklet. Hope everything is going to be very good with all of you. So see you next time, my dear student, and goodbye.